Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I wish you all are fine and well, safe at your home. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you people the latest amazing and beautiful crafting ideas. And as you guys can see in this video, all are jute basket crafting ideas, the decoration ideas, how you guys can design your baskets and it will look so amazing and stunning. Different type of beautiful collection of decorate the jute baskets you guys can watch easily in my this video collection. Really amazing and beautiful ideas I just bring for you guys to watch, and you guys can get the many amazing beautiful collections from my videos. Decorate your baskets like this and it will look so amazing and stunning. You guys can use the pearls to decorate it, the flowers to decorate it. You can see designs and decorate like this, and your baskets will also look so amazing and stunning. You guys can decorate it in your homes and it will look so amazing and beautiful, because this is the most latest beautiful ideas I just collected for you peoples only. So hopefully you guys will also love the collection. So my dear viewers, watch the video till the end, and if you are new on my channel watching the video first time, please click the subscribe button, the bell icon too, so you guys will never miss any video and collection. Easily you guys will watch the all videos just through the notification. Many amazing beautiful collection of crafting ideas you guys will watch only on my channel Street Fashion. My dear viewers, share with me your reviews, your feedback about my videos, and what you guys want to watch in my next upcoming video. You can tell me your ideas as well, so I will bring that collection for you peoples. Thank you for watching.